I'm Haley Freeman.
And I'm Lindsay Stigler.
And for our physics video, I'm going to show you the velocity of a pitch.
And the collision of the bat and the ball. Go.
Before you pitch the softball is at rest in your hand. When you throw the ball, you exert a forward force on the ball towards the batter. As the ball travels towards the batter, air resistance exerts a backwards force on the ball. Therefore, two primary forces act on the ball: the forward force exerted by your arm and the backwards force exerted by the air resistance. However, the force exerted by your arm is significantly greater than air resistance, which means that the net force acting on the ball is in the forward direction. This net force causes the ball to accelerate forward from its rest position, and the ball's velocity increases towards the batter.
Ball's momentum is zero until the softball bat makes contact with it. Newton's third law of motion applies to this collision between the bat and the ball. In the collision between these two objects, both experience forces. These forces are equal and opposite in directions. These forces cause the ball to speed up and makes the softball bat to slow down. The forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. The acceleration of the objects are not necessarily equal in magnitude.
Hi, babe.
Oh! See, Sean?
Oh, okay, not there.